Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and actually before, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. For downloading, for checking, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but for downloading I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi. So after entering the settings, let's find System and Update, and at the top we've got Software Update. So let's tap. And now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.